I wanted to make sure. You okay? Take a deep breath in, all the way out. Good. Wiggle your left ear. You feel it low?
Yeah.
All the way down?
Felt it right here in my mid, right there.
Okay. All the way out. Good. Go low?
Yeah.
Okay. Still kicking. There. You look straighter. More aligned. Do you feel like you're standing straighter?
Yeah.
Yeah. You look like you're in the military. Yeah. How does your neck feel? How does your back feel? Yeah.
I don't have that pressure on my back no more.
Yeah. Where was the pressure at?
Right here in the middle.
Yeah.
Right in the middle.
Mm-hmm. Oh, what else do you notice that's different?
I can breathe a little bit more, so that's noticeable. You trying to see if I have better patience?
Some people do, right, afterwards?
Yeah.
And then what about your
lower back? I don't feel nothing down there.
You don't feel pain?
No.
Okay, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Because when they pulled you, did you feel it go down there?
Yeah, I feel it from here to down here a little bit. So.
Yeah,
Yep.
but the pain's gone, so
Yep.
it got you. Okay, well, anything you want to test out, like the chair or any movements?
Let's see. Nothing much.
Feel good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think about the ring dinger?
It's good.
Yeah, your first time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you describe it?
I don't got really much words for it. It's good.
Were you shocked during the pull?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah. But was it scary at first?
A little bit like, okay, I know I'm gonna feel some pain, so I know I'm gonna be there that much, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, well, there you go. Thank you for trying out the ring dinger. You look very relaxed. Are you ready for a nap?
Yeah.
Okay.